one that will disappoint me like that.
Use this one.
I like the one that remove it from the yeah, pray. My name is Ronald Ajengo. I'm the country program coordinator for Ifad in Kenya. And with me here is a team from both Ifad and the government of Kenya. Ifad government of Kenya mission to supervise one of our programs called Kenya Cereal Enhancement Program, KSEP-KRAL, which is implemented in a number of counties, 13 counties to be specific, and Kilifi County happens to be one of them. So let me just say that as Ifad, we do support the government in terms of agricultural development, but we also do understand that the issues of ecological integrity is very critical, for agriculture. And that explains why, as Ifad, a number of our interventions in this country also deals with the issues of natural resources management, supporting communities to manage the fragile ecosystems where they are producing. So this program, KSEP-KRAL, also has a number of interventions that are supporting communities to build their resilience. And so this program has supported this community with access to water. But even as they receive water, it's also important that we also manage the ecological integrity of these areas.
Seeing a lot of benefits, both in the short term and in the long term. So of course, as mentioned, from a resilience perspective, trees are helping to provide nutrition to the communities, but from an environment and climate perspective, especially in these contexts of a lot of disasters, we're also seeing benefits in the short term in terms of soil stabilization and soil health. Trees are really important to be able to bring the right nutrients to the soil that are necessary for it to be stable, for it to absorb water better, and for it to conduct the right nutrition to the different crops that are being grown. But especially, as you mentioned, in this context of floods, helping for water absorption is really, really important, and helping to stabilize some of the slopes in the country through the roots of the tree, so that there is no impact in terms of landslides and the resulting casualties.